The Alexa 35 Bootcamp is meant to be a 2-day deep dive into all the details and operational characteristics of the new Alexa 35 camera system from ARRI.
It is so exciting to have the opportunity to have this brand new camera and explore how much better it's gotten, a wider dynamic range, a wider color gamut.
There's so much that's new about this system that I think it's important that people kind of understand that it's not just the same ARRI cameras that we've all been using for the last 10 plus years.
My favorite part of the workshop was building the camera, getting into the menu.
The exposure tests and the lighting tests.
Getting to work with the new Reveal color science, so getting to work with the new textures.
We really try to offer people as much hands-on time as possible. They're building the camera out for different configurations, configuring it for different shooting styles, different modes. We just want people to get real concrete experience.
Our curiosities and our questions were what we focused on the most. So it suited all levels, not just beginner, intermediate, or advanced, but we covered all of those bases.
I would recommend this bootcamp to all ranges of skill. It was nice to get an overview of a camera that I might not come in contact with unless I'm on set.
The instruction that we get isn't just technical about the camera sensor, but we really talk about, okay, how does the camera handle light? You know, the different types of lensing options. You are gonna find out things in this class you just can't get, you know, on a spreadsheet or online.
It was amazing, and I learned so much in such a short period of time, and I felt like I had so many questions answered.